Hello, my friends on the internet. This is day 332 of me making an app to get you off of your phone to end doom scrolling. And today I'm going to show you how it works, how it's been going, and in general, how you can help yourself or maybe your friends and family scroll a lot less and live a lot more. We're going to do this without blocking any apps, without deleting anything, and without setting up time limits. And I'll show you how right now. Basically, the app I've been making for the last year now is about finding what you enjoy and doing it. Rather than blocking the apps, gaining new time, and not knowing what to do with it, we're skipping right to the good part where you know what to do with your time, you're excited to do things, and you want to live more than you want to scroll. Now, this is not an easy task, this is hard, but it can be fun and enjoyable too. How can you do that? Basically, the concept that I've come up with is that you are a curious human and you have interests. If you can pick an interest out of this list, or even a few, save them to your list of saved things that you're interested in doing, and then get a plan to actually do it, the chances of you taking action on one of these things goes up significantly. Once you have a plan, you can then even watch curated content to help you go through the steps and follow along, learning and doing at the same time. And while you're doing this, you're not scrolling. If you decide you don't like the plan, that's fine. You can just go try something else. It's not very hard. You just swipe right. At that point, you will then get another plan. Honestly, it's been a while that I've been working on this app, and it used to be uglier, it used to be less functional. But rather than tell you about all that, I'm going to tell you what's next, what is to look forward to. And mainly, I've been working on trying to get more users to the app. Today, I have a reel going up that I paid $500 for, and I think it's going to do really well. It's going to promote Curiosity Quench, and a lot of people will get off of Instagram and start doing the things they actually enjoy, which I think is pretty awesome. I think that's amazing. So that's something to look forward to. Also, I'm working on adding more curated content. So every single plan will have basically stuff to look at, stuff to do. You have electronic tinkering and you have content for each step to help you go through it. This is vital. This used to not be a thing, but now it is. And I'm working on getting it for all 1000 plus topics. So it's more useful. What else have I been working on? Well, actually, I've been a little bit sidetracked because every day for Curiosity Quench, for this app, I've been working on essentially getting the message out, making content, and that takes a lot of time to post to 4 or 5 different platforms. So I realized I can make a tool myself that helps myself, and I've actually been working on for the past few days a tool to help me basically post every day to all these platforms with the click of a button. So I connect all my accounts, I upload the video, and I can just do it all in one place. You can pay for that for about $40 a month. I could pay, but instead I'm just going to make this app as it is a problem I have, and I think I am halfway there to solving it, and it's pretty fun to do. So that's maybe a bit irrelevant to this video, but it's something that I should include because not always am I just super mono-focused on Curiosity Quench. Sometimes I have a pain point that I need to solve, and I want to solve that still. Maybe I am distracted a little bit. For the most part, most of my days still spent working on Curiosity Quench, or at least thinking about how to make it better and observing how I can bring more value to the people who download this app and help them get off their phones. That's really it for today, though. This is day 332. I'm going to make another video tomorrow and the day after, so if you want to see those, follow here. Or if you just want simple reminders to get off your phone, like this video, share with a friend, and YouTube's probably going to share more videos of mine with you to remind you that there's stuff you have to do, there's stuff you enjoy, and there's stuff that's better than scrolling on your phone and watching videos that you probably you aren't going to remember in a month, a week, a day. Anyways, that's it for now. Keep going. I love you. Take care. Go do the things you're actually interested in doing, and have a great day.